Hi, this is Benjamin, founder of Farmagain. There are a lot of farmers who would like to get into precision farming era, and people know that they have to really get into precision farming in order to be even relevant in agriculture because you need to, on one hand, increase your productivity, on the other hand, use the least available resources, particularly water, and also ensure your land is not contaminated with all kinds of inorganic fertilizers. So you'll have to really diligently apply that so that you can preserve it. So to do all of these, you have to follow precision farming. And to follow precision farming, you have to have a technology that is relevant to that. And which is where we have our technology Grotron, which is designed in the principles of evapotranspiration. Essentially, the first and the only technology that was built based on the science of evapotranspiration. Therefore, you are pretty much sure that you're going to increase your productivity, use least amount of water, least amount of fertilizers. Now, while a lot of people want to go for this, the biggest impediment happens to be cash, money. It is very difficult for a farmer to just like that go and invest, say, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs. And in our part, for the last few years, what we have been doing is for farmers who would like to spend with a credit card, we had been offering interest free EMIs, maybe 3 to 12 months, sometimes low cost EMIs. This is within our ability. But then bigger projects, high value projects, don't really make sense to be swiped on a credit card because interest rates could go quite high. And that is when we started working together to find different opportunities. And we did figure out that the Infrastructure Fund promoted by the Government of India is one of the best options where a farmer can get a loan anywhere between a lakh and 2 crores without collaterals. The farmland itself will be used as a collateral, and nothing else is required. And what I understand is this is applicable for all kinds of farmers. I mean, right from the marginal to the large scale to the companies. Is it right, sir?
Correct,
It
correct.
is applicable for all
Yes,
of
yes,
them.
yes.
And how much, let's say if the project value for a farmer to get into precision farming is about 5 lakhs, how much down payment should he make?
Normally 10% farmer contribution, normally.
Okay.
So 90% of the funding under agri infrastructure.
The farmer has to make a down payment of 10%, and the remaining 90% he has to pay through
Bank,
the bank at a 9% interest rate. But then 3% of that is returned to the farmer, to the bank account by the Government of India. Therefore, the effective interest rate for this loan is only 6%.
correct.
And does the farmer have to start repaying immediately, or is there a.
No, first 1 year holiday.
Okay.
So this is for a long term period. Maximum 7 years repayment for loan amount.
Okay.
That's why
So basically, from the date of disbursement of the loan,
one
I get
year
1 year
holiday,
holiday, and that
7 years
is,
repayment.
yeah, that 1 year is for me to actually implement precision farming, and the benefits I will start enjoying after a year, and that is when I start paying, and I can pay for a duration of seven,
7 years.
7 years. So, can all farmers, like marginal, big, and even companies,
Companies, NGOs, trustees, ATG, so all are eligible for agri
so
infrastructure
as
fund.
long as I would assume the land titles are clean and the
Yes,
customer's KYC is good and you have a project proposal, you are pretty much eligible to get into the scheme. Is that right, sir?
yes,
Okay.
yes.
So just to summarize, I think this is a wonderful opportunity for farmers who want to get into precision farming. You have, like sir said, 6% interest rate for a amount of 1 lakh to 2 crores is unbelievable. And I think all of us should utilize this opportunity to embrace precision farming. Thank you so much.